time check, it's 10:22. I'm gonna go Davao. I'm gonna visit my cousin and gonna see the temple as well. So, man, I'm excited. Update lang ako kung ako sa Davao. Okay, love you all. So guys, exactly abot lang sa ni oras pero 1 PM naman day. Now Davao guys. So man, this is a freaking achievement by for myself, especially for myself. No, okay. Right before Nearly was a mission, I was like, I wanted to travel. I wanted to go whatever places I want to think of, then go. You know? And now I'm here, Davao, and I'm going to the temple. Even though di makasulod, but I will just take photos of it sa ang exterior nga design sa temple, no? And I'm gonna be there by myself. It's gonna be crazy. Let's go. Everyone, ananade ko ako. Now we gotta go. Is Davao guys. Davao. Is Davao guys. Ano sa mall? G-Mall. Abinog daw kini nga mall ba? First time na gani.
Katuang nasa Pertuber ako lang.
Fresh avocado.
Available ta ng flavor tayo.
Durian ang melon.
May buko pa to.
Pero cookies and cream.
Durian ang melon ang wala?
Cookies and cream. Isa.
Buko. Meron ito pampadagdag
Powder
buko
shit.
juice.
Ano, 16 ounce ra ako ba? Dapat. Anyways. Grabe na ni Karo nga vlog. Wala content no, galag-lag lang. Anyways. Guys, matami na balay yung baby girl. Sa yung family guys. Let's go, baby. So nanami guys, tunog-tunog may mga wheels. Jesus take the wheels. The wheels to their place. So tsada ka diri bay adventure kay ba. Day kugaw yung camera. But I see me, now you don't. Oh yeah. Oh crap. My gosh, look at this. Come look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my goodness. Na yung mga missionary guys, bisita diri jeep. Yung mga master, mga tagay. Yung mga tulays kagayan ba. Gahay ba kayo. Oh yeah. Mura manikon ba eh. Alubihid ba daw? Katong sa mangrove ba? What the frick, man? I was at Abriza. I'm in Abriza, Davao, Panday, Ayala. So I'm gonna meet up my friend. So friends just how we gotta go. And she's the only friend that I'm gonna be seeing here. And I'm like cruising everywhere, man. Like I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, this is gonna be nuts, to be honest. Well, kung balos ang buhatan. But it'll end up pretty well good. Hopefully it will, and it does gonna be. Okay, wagi ko yan no aso padulong. So, mura kong gagit. Bro, I've been traveling for like a whole freaking day in a good day. But yeah, everything's gonna be settled in. I don't even know, man. So, bahala sila diya. Okay. Boot sila, bahala sila. Ano ka na nagtanaw sa kuha kay mag-vlog daw ko. I don't even know, man. To be honest. This is nuts. Like freaking nuts. I don't know. Frick. Baluasong mulak ko. Naog ako. Naog na lang ko eh. Sumurag. Like second floor lang siya tamon. Kay murag taas na siya ng mall. Something. Oh my gosh. Anyways, cut na ako.
Pasada dito sa kwan. Okay na ba parang ng dagan?
So, update na. Na ako sa balay nila Uncle Limhay and Anna Jane. And my voice is still deep. Okay. Hangover pa ako gahapon. Negative. So, as you can heard everyone, my voice is still deep. Yung nabuban-uban na ako sa lakaron. Okay. Nukulan buhaton. But yes. Ko and wala siya ante vlog lagi ko na 1 hour ni nga vlog lagi since pag abot na ako kon magpit puro na update ba anyways andam na lang okay mag-uban ka sa ila ha outfit check alright, I'm out. So, we'll see each other soon. Okay, lap ka muna mi. Lap ka muna mi, yeah. Oo, nanandugkan ba mga light nga. Wala ko nanandugkan mga nga t-shirt ba? May blue. Hindi mo ko black good. Nanapin na lang sa vlog ba?
Imo.
Glagot lagi na si mama kaya manlaban sa puro ito. Yep, that's me. Guys, malaki kami ni uncle guys. Nagawas na yun mi guys. Wala na yung uncle. Uncle Limhay. Si Sho. The Sho. Kasi minihan ng Sho. Makabaluwa sa may mga lakaw pero lingaw ni guys. Manlibre yun kasi uncle sa ako.
So, like, walking sa, kuan ba? Davao ba? Walking sa Davao. Chibugan na. green bell pepper. Ito na yung pan. Ano lang ang plato ko? Where are thy plates? Nice. Chili paste. Mix Mackie, bro. So, diri nga part guys sa paglakaw-lakaw na and also sa pag-aon naman sa Kimix. So, wala ko kabalon sa akong pilihan ani. And as you can see sa video, zero ingon no Yakimix na sad. Yakimix na sad. So, actually, grabe na gini ka overwhelming travel kay we kabalo unplanned gini and so on and so forth.
Ratuche.
Shrimp, spicy squid. Let's go. You are alone. When will you be coming home back to me? Damn. There were times I felt like see me falling away. Can you hear me? I'm calling out your name. Hindi na ako tugtog ba? Hanging on, baby, you need to come home. 'Cause I feel, sayop, has gone stronger. Maybe I have the strength to show. I tell myself that I can't hold out forever. I said there is no reason for my fear. 'Cause I feel so secure when we're together. You gave my life direction. You make everything so clear. And even as I wander, I'm keeping you in sight. So, as you can see, ako rin isa sa balay na lang ko and it's kinda crazy, you know. Ang buhato na ako is mag-video na lang ko. Kasi may tabo din. Connect sa akong phone sa JBL para that's morning the night na yun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyways, hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Pinaka-random na vlog ito. Bukal-butan. Oh my god. 'Cause all I need. Oh, copyright na nila yun. Anyways. Oh, frick. Hindi makita yung device. Cause all I need
Char lang din. Ano ang video guys, maka-copyright ko. Bye. Mag-live na lang ko sa TikTok.